Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to my channel Gardening in Easy Way. In today's video, I'm going to tell you very important things about how to care your money plant, especially when it is kept on the terrace. Otherwise, if we talk about the plants kept in indoors, it doesn't require much attention and proper care. But the terrace plants always do need proper care and attention, and these tricks I will tell you in this video. First of all, you need to check all the yellow colored leaves, or in other words, we call it pale colored leaves, and remove it from the plant. Secondly, if there are dry leaves lying at the bottom of the soil, on the top layer, remove that also, because during rainy season it becomes necessary to care about this plant. It doesn't require water at that time, but it requires proper care. If there are branches which are turning yellow in color, remove that also. And one very important thing which everyone must know, that do not keep this plant in the direct sunlight. If you keep this plant in the direct sunlight, the plant will directly come in shock and automatically results in withering of the leaves as well as the branches. So whether you are keeping this plant on the terrace or inside your house, keep it in the shade. Just like I'm showing you this yellow colored leaf, although the tip is yellow in color, but try to remove that. This plant has become mother plant, as I'm showing you this branch having so many brown colored roots. It clearly showing that this plant is very old. Secondly, if I talk about this branch, you can take it as cutting and fix it in the soil, nor in the water, because these branches already having the strong roots. Otherwise, if we talk about the cutting which you keep in the water, it should have nodes which takes time to convert into the strong roots. But just like I'm showing you this node, this branch you can take it as a cutting and you can keep it in the water. So these two tips are very important if you have your money plant. How many branches you can take and what type of branches you can use as cutting in the water or in the soil. These are very small tricks I often use with my plant. I never face any kind of difficulty. I have so many pots with the same money plant. Even I have divided it through the help of cuttings. Hardly I use any kind of fertilizer on this plant, because I sometimes use the water which we often throw away after washing the pulses and the rice. That water is full of so much nutrients, and that water I often use in the dilute form, mixed with the water for that plant. You can see all the leaves are very lush green in color, showing the good health of this plant. So you can also use this trick if you want. So these are the things I wanted to share with you. If you want to keep the plant healthy and green in color, you can also adopt these tricks. I hope this will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching the video till end. Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Gardening in Easy Way. Today's video I have made to trim the very pale yellow colored branches of my money plant. So first of all, it becomes very important to know certain things about this plant, that how to do proper care of this plant, because if you do proper care, the result will be very fine. Even you can see the color of my money plant, all the leaves are completely shining green color. So right now I'm showing you this yellow colored branch. So you must know friends, which branch is to cut and which branch is to use as cutting. Right now I'm showing you this branch. Never use this branch as cutting, because it's already on the verge of withering. It is getting yellow, so it becomes very important to cut it down till where it is yellow in color. Otherwise it will make the remaining branch wither also. So this thing is very important. Right now I am showing you these small nodes which have appeared on this branch, clearly indicating the very instant progress of this branch. In case you do not cut down the pale yellow colored branch, it will automatically destroy the remaining one also. So if you see this kind of blackened branch, I mean which is already withered or has got dried, cut it down immediately. This is the very formal steps of caring of your money plant. And if you find these dry leaves, also remove it from the branch. This is another very important thing which you are supposed to do. So you always need to be careful. You need to check the tip of the branch which is falling on the ground after a regular interval. If you have allowed all the branches to fall on the ground, just like I have not used any stick in this spot. The branches are extending in its own way, and remove these dry leaves wherever you find among the clutches of the leaves. This is again very important trick which you must follow. So just like again these are the dry leaves, so try to cut it down or remove it with the help of hands. So these are the very little things you must know, and you can do with your plant if you want to maintain the greenery of it. So these are the things I just wanted to share with you. Otherwise you can see the color of all leaves are very shining and very lush green in color, and showing that my money plant is completely healthy. If you do these things after a regular interval of time, it automatically enhances the life of your plant. Moreover, it helps the plant to grow. Why? Because in that case, if you remove all these dry leaves and the dry branches, pale yellow colored branches, then the remaining green branches extend at a very rapid pace. So these small things are very important. Right now I am showing you the node which is growing on the branches. The healthy money plant always show you the long nodes or grown up roots on the branches. This actually indicates that your money plant is growing. It doesn't matter what kind of pot you are taking, whether it is a earthen or the plastic one. So thank you for watching my video till end.